Have you ever seen a paper airplane that breaks the rules and still flies amazingly well? Meet the Jetstream, an intentionally asymmetrical paper airplane designed by Barron. Even though both sides are different, this unique design glides surprisingly far and is incredibly fun to fly. And the best part is that it's so simple to make. So grab a sheet of paper. You can use standard 8.5 by 11-inch paper or an A4 sheet. Once you're ready, let's start folding. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise and make a sharp crease. Open it back up because that center line will guide all of our folds. Next, bring the top corners down to the center crease, creating two neat triangles. Repeat on both sides to form a pointed nose. Now fold this entire top section downward. Once that's done, flip the paper over. Starting from where the center crease touches the top edge, fold one side diagonally toward the back, stopping about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from the rear corner. Then make the same fold on the opposite side, matching it carefully. You'll notice a small corner sticking out. Tuck that corner into the pocket behind it, locking the folds together. And now comes the really interesting part. Unlike most paper airplanes, the Jetstream becomes asymmetrical. Simply wrap one side around the other, giving the plane its unusual shape. Next, fold the entire plane in half along the center crease. Then fold down the wings evenly on both sides. And just like that, your Jetstream is complete. Now it's time for the best part. Head outside, give it a smooth launch, and watch this strange-looking airplane prove that sometimes breaking the rules leads to amazing flights. Let's see the Jetstream in action.